Para to sa may mga research title defense. Kung first time mo at sobrang kabado ka pa kasi hindi mo alam kung paano sumagot, make sure to save this video. Gawin mo to para maiwasan mo yung mental block and at the same time hindi ka mag-isa. 1. Make sure na yung research title nyo is clear and concise. Kapag nakita pa lang ng panelists yung research title nyo, dapat magets na agad nila kung ano yung purpose, ano yung matututunan nila sa research nyo at sino yung magiging respondents. Pangalawa, format. Alamin mo yung format ng research title defense nyo kasi usually per school iba-iba yan. Ngayon, kung hindi mo naman alam yung format, it's best to ask your teacher. Itanong mo, ano nga ba dapat yung laman ng PowerPoint presentation nyo for your research title defense? Mas magandang magtanong kesa magkamali. Make sure na yung ilalagay nyo sa PowerPoint nyo ay hindi copy-paste. Lastly, yung research title nyo or pinopropose nyong topic dapat may ina-address na research gap. Dapat yung research nyo is unique, hindi pa na-explore at may ina-address talagang problema. Yung iba ang ginagawa, kumukuha sila ng inspiration from other studies, pinapalitan lang nila yung variables,